In yesterday's class, we just discussed about the introduction, like the history of the BTP, what is BTP, BTP cockpit, so what is the use of the cockpit, so the list of services, some introduction part we discussed. Today, okay, if we go to the little bit basic about the, first of all, what, so types of global accounts. So what is first of all global account? That is the main question here. That is the first question here. What is global account? So the global account is the realization of a contract with you or your company that has made with the SAP. Normally, when we need a account, that time we have to check with the SAP for the global account. All right. So global account will be provided by the SAP depending upon the contract that we made by SAP. So made with SAP, they will provide the global account. So what is the use here? What is the use of the global account? So global account is used to manage the sub accounts, like yesterday we have drafted the one diagram, right? So manage the sub accounts, members, so quotas, everything, whatever the possibilities, global account means the cloud account, cloud BTP account we will get from SAP. With this, we will get the services. With including the global account, we will in the global account we will get the services. We will get the, so we can create the users, we can create the limitations of the services, the quotas, plans, all the everything we will get it out. Using the global account, we will manage all those things here, right? So we will manage the all those things in the global account here, right? So they are the two types of global accounts are available in, so global accounts. Global accounts, they are the two types of global accounts are available in the SAP here, right? So when you contract with the SAP will provide the two types of global account here. They are the two types of global account here, right? So when you contract with the SAP, so this is the global account, right? When a global account, you will get there are the two types of global account here. So depends upon the our contract, we can get the respective global account, respective account, we can get it out from the SAP here, right?
Mm.
One is called the enterprise account. One account is called the enterprise account here. So enterprise account here, enterprise accounts. So and second one is the free trial account, free trial. So trial accounts, that is called the trial accounts here, trial accounts. So free accounts here, trial accounts, right? So global account has two types here, right? So one is the enterprise account and the trial accounts here. So let's start discussing about the trial account first here, the trial accounts first here. So the trial accounts, right? The trial accounts has some limitations. It's a free. The trial accounts are the free accounts here. So trial accounts are the free accounts. So you can use, there are some limitations, but it's a free, same as like global account. So you can use the trial account. You can use for the trial account, but you should not use for, not use for business purpose, business account, business purpose. So not use for business purpose, you cannot use it here. So you can use for, so POCs, so training, so learning purpose. So some of the POCs purpose we can use it here, but not for the production operations or business purpose. We should not use here. So it has some limitations, the spaces wise, quotas wise, services wise, it has some limitations here, right? So these are the things will be applied in the the trial account. Almost all functionalities are available, but some functionalities like cloud ALM is not available for the free trial accounts. Then so there are some limitations for the HANA cloud, HANA databases and everything here. But whatever the licenses we have in the trial account, services are available. So those are enough for the our practice purpose and our training purpose, right? You don't need to worry about the limitations and everything. Those are enough here, right? So trial account, but the trial account is available only 90 days period only. The trial account. So the trial account is available for 90 days only here. So you will get only 90 days, 90 days account, 90 days on the trial account. When the time of starting, then you can get the 90 days, 90 days trial accounts you will get from SAP here, the trial accounts, right? So 90 days you will get from the SAP here, right? So 90 days period, 90 days means 0 to the 90 days you will get the trial account limitations here. So after the 90 days, your sub account will be deleted. So then you need to create the one more global account. You have to create it here. Your global account will be deleted. You need to create it here. In the 90 days period also, they have divided in the free. This is about the trial account. You will get the 90 days free trial account. You will get out the limitations. So in the 90 days, the first 30 days, the 90 days period also is divided into the two intervals. 90 days period also, it's divided into the two intervals here. The 90 days period is divided into the two intervals here, right? The 90 days period is divided into the two intervals here. So the services are provided to the trial account. It's kind of some restrictions. They have some restrictions to use the memory wise, the spaces wise, they have some restrictions are here, right? So the trial accounts are intended for the personal exploration, means personal POCs, and so non-productive testing services, this kind of things we can use it here. This kind of things we can use it here, right? So always free services, you don't need to pay it, credit card authentication, nothing is required. I will tell you how to do that one. But only thing is here, in the 90 days trial period here, in the 90 days free trial period here, so 90 days, the services are, so they are the two intervals here in the 90 days period. They are the two intervals, it's divided. One is the, so first 30 days, the first 30 days, so you should use the first 30 days, we should use our trial account. At any time, one time, if you log into the trial account, the first 30 days, then it will be extended. It will be extended to the another, so 30 days, another 30 days, like another 90 days, it will be extended. So like that, so the first 30 days, anytime, one day, you need to log into your account, then you need to just browse it 5 minutes, that's it. So then automatically your trial account will be extended to the another 30 days or another 60 days, it will be extended. So the only thing is the first 30 days you need to log into your trial account here. That is the main thing here, right? So the trial accounts must not be used for the production use, or so we should not use for the production purpose here. That is the SAP strongly recommending we should not use the trial account for the production users. Why? Because it has only 90 days period only. In this 90 days period, your trial account will be expired. So it will be impact the production operations here. That's why we should not use for the production usage here. So we can self-register the trial account. So by using the trial account, I will tell you how to get the self-register the trial accounts and how to get it out. The everything I can explain it here, right? So whenever we go for the try, sir, how can I check? There the trial accounts you will get only, you can only use the free trial, the free trial account, always free options only you can use it here. So which means, so as I said, right, sir, we have some limitations to use the trial accounts. Why? Because the trial account only, so you have the trial services are available, the free services are available here. So if we go to the SAP Discovery Center, if we go to the SAP Discovery Center here, in the SAP Discovery Center here, you can see the free trial, always there are the tax always free, always free, always free. So which means the services are free. Free means in the trial account, the services are available. You can use it here. Sir, how can I know which services are available in the trial account, which services are not available means? So already the free services are available, the free tier and always free. So these are available in the tax are available here. These are the free. You can use the free. So, but the services which we don't have the tax, these are available only in the enterprise account. The enterprise account means the organizational account. So enterprise means organization. It is available only in the organization account here. So they are the some tax like free, which means the offering the free tier service plans here. So but some services they have some charges that is available in the enterprise account, that is available here. That is available here. So this 90 days period. So the make sure to extend your trial account, the first 30 days, at one day you need to log into your trial account, then your trial account will be extended. If you don't sign into your trial account the first 30 days or more, your account will be suspended. Then you will not able to use the applications or services or whatever we want. You will not able to, you cannot use it here, right? Just it will be suspended. Account will be suspended, but it will not be, so there is no deletion, just it will be suspended. Account will not be deleted here. To unsuspend your trial account, just you need to just click the extend. Sir, what if suppose first 30 days you said like first 30 days one day we need to log in, after that after you got the trial account, so one day we have to log in and check it out, then auto it will be extended. But what if I have not logged in the first 30 days, I have not logged in, my account got suspended. It will not be deleted, it will be suspended. Then in that case, so we have the option. So there is a, whenever you logging to, you have the option to extend trial account. In the pop-up window appears, then there you need to sign in again. You need to sign in here. Then it will be still say left in the 90 days trial period, you will get it out. 90 days trial period, if you extend it, 90 days trial period, you will get it out here, right? So make sure when we are using the trial account, so first 30 days we have to use it. So means some days we can use it. So 1 or 2 days we have to use it, then it will be extended. Otherwise, what will happen? Your account will be suspended, not be deleted, right? So after 90 days period, your trial account is automatically deleted. If you want to proactively delete the trial account, we can delete it. But so if you don't delete it here, so your trial account will be deleted automatically here. So right. So after deletion, then you can now set up the, so after deletion, again, you can set up the new trial account. If you want to use it, you can just set up the new trial account. You can set it up here. So if you want to, sir, I don't want to, without any interruption. This is 90 days only. I want to use it for my business purpose. So I don't want to any interruption means, then you can go for the enterprise account. You can go for the enterprise account here in the enterprise account. So we have the some service plans, and enterprise account, you will get the free plus the paid service plans you will get. Free plus the paid service plans you will get here. In the trial accounts, the free trial accounts, you will only get the free services you will get. Free services you will get here. But in the enterprise account, so there are the free plus the paid also you will get here in the enterprise account. In the enterprise account you are using means it's only not only chargeable. You can also use the free services also, you can use it. Free services also you can use it for the trial accounts, right? The trial account here. That is the testing scenarios purpose and everything. You can use it for the trial account here, right? In the trial account, they have we have the trial accounts. We have the some limitations with respect to the spaces, with respect to the quotas. Why? Because it's a cloud, right? If you are using the cloud account here, each and everything will be the costly. Even if you want to purchase some space, some plans or quotas, services wants to run, it requires some space. If you want to purchase the space, you need to pay some amount, right? Why? Because it's a cloud-based services. Everything is costly here in the BTP side, right? The free services, you can use it, but as I said, we have the some limitations, right? Simulate limitations. The limitations is like here, so we can only trial accounts. It includes only the 4 GB of the main memory you will get here. 4 GB of the main memory, the 4 GB of main memory you will get here. Then 10 instances routes you will get from SAP here as a free trial here. So total 40 services so you will get from the SAP here, right? So and also two backend to on-prem systems, to on-prem configured on-prem systems we can connect with the cloud connectors here. The assets two, but more we can configure it here, right? So two on-prem SAP systems we can configure it here. So 4 GB of main memory, 4 GB of main memory for the applications, 4 GB of main memory you will get for applications. The BTP, the each and every application, it's required some amount of memory. So then we will get the 4 GB of main memory you will get. Then so 8 GB of instance memory to run the instances. You will get the 8 GB instance memory. 10 service routes you will get it out. 10 routes, 10 services you will get. Then 40 free services you will get. Total 40 services are available here. 40 services for the trial accounts. These are the limitations. As I mentioned here, so limitations here. Then, so the trial account, yeah, these are the limitations in that respect to the space wise, with respect to the services wise. We have these are the some, so free configured service. These are the some limitations here when you use the trial account, means free trial account. When you are using the free trial account, so these are we have the limitations here. So they may ask you sometimes, so what is the difference between the trial account and enterprise account? The trial account has some limitation, which means with respect to the space wise, with respect to the memory wise, with respect to the services wise, with respect to so then the usage of the intervals, those things, the services. So we have some limitations here. It has only 90 days license only. You will get the trial account here. After the 90 days, your account will be deleted. If you don't use the first 30 days, your account will be suspended. Then after that, you need to extend your account. Extend your account here. So that is the difference between the trial account here. Okay, so let's talk about the enterprise account. Enterprise account here. So enterprise accounts are this is the enterprise accounts are the business accounts. All the enterprise accounts are the business accounts. All the enterprise accounts are usually associated with the SAP customer or our partner, SAP partner contract. So which means the main our organizations will use the enterprise account here. So here we need to have the purchase the all the things and everything, all the like entitlement, resources, services, everything we have to purchase it here. So this is the account we have to use for the business purpose. Business purpose we have to use it for here. In the enterprise account, you will get the free services as well as the chargeable services also you will get here. Chargeable services also you will get here, the enterprise account. The main thing is here, enterprise account, you will get the SAP support. SAP support is available 24/7 support. But trial account, if you are working on the trial account, free trial account, if any issues arises, SAP will not support. SAP will not support for this trial accounts. Right? SAP will not support. Only blogs, community support is available here in the trial account. But enterprise account, you have the SAP support. Why? Because it's an organizational account. That is, the organizations will take this account for the business purpose. We will use it for the business purpose here. So this accounts will be useful for the our productive usage purpose. 24/7 support is available. So we can purchase this global account, this enterprise account, for any SAP applications, production applications, or anything. We can use it here. We have the support for the applications, and there are the productive services also available here. There is no limitations. So according to your contract, and also we can use all the the current services, and we can use all the services. We can use it, or in the future services also. Not only current, you can also use the future services also. You can use it. Here you cannot use the future services. So you can only use the current existing services. You can use it which are available. Here you can use the future services, paid or free also. You can use it here, paid or few available here. So in the enterprise account, enterprise account, you can enterprise account related services you can deploy on the any region. There are more regions are available here. More regions are available. In which data center you required this one, then more regions are available. But trial accounts has the only two regions, only limited regions are available. Regions means limited data centers are available to deploy your applications. But enterprise account, you have the more regions are available to deploy your applications here. So, sir, what about the free services here? Here, you can use the free plus paid services also. You can use it here. Here only free services you can use it here. Here you can use it for the business purpose. The future service is also available. The more reasons are available for this account, right? There are the many benefits are there using the enterprise account, but that is normally we cannot get this enterprise account only. So either credit card authentication, or then when we talk to SAP, SAP will provide this enterprise account based upon the organization. Either you are the partner or you are the customer for SAP. Only those accounts they will provide to the SAP here, right? So those accounts you will get the SAP here. So what about sir, you mentioned like there is a paid services are available here. This is enterprise account. It's a paid account here. What are the service plans here? What are the license plans here? So free account, that is fine. In the free account, it's a free limited. So we know all those things. Now we got it. But enterprise account, so can we give a little bit more about the plans, the licensing plans here, right? The licensing plans. In the enterprise account, we have so it's organization account. This is the account. We have to use it for the business. Then, so we can use it for the business, for the organizations. Organizations will use this account, enterprise global account. They will use it for their business purpose. Why? Because here you will get the free service also available and paid chargeable service also available here, right? So, and also you will get the support from SAP in case of any issues, right? And also it is available on the more regions. So more regions it is available. You have a lot of benefits using the enterprise account. There is no deletion, there is no inactivity, so nothing. Why? Because it is available and it is an enterprise account. So what about the licensing model for the enterprise account? What about the pricing model? The pricing model for enterprise account here, right? So what about the pricing model? So this enterprise accounts has the pricing models here. Somewhat it's very important. Okay, am I audible, right?
You're audible, but in
Yeah, it is
between,
audible.
I don't think. Is it same for everybody?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
no, fine. No.
It is clear, bro.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So it's clear. Okay, let me tell you about this one. So now SAP BTP, SAP SAP BTP, the pricing model, the models here. The pricing model is only for enterprise account. So free services, we have the free services. Then why we are discussing about the pricing for the pricing types for the free services? It's not the free services. The free service, this is pricing model for the enterprise global account. The pricing models are the enterprise pricing model here. So these are the enterprise accounts are the commercial models. Commercials means, right? These are the commercial models here. So normally we will call it as the commercial model here. So there are the two types of models are available in the enterprise account here. One is the subscription based model here. One is the subscription model. The second one is called the consumption. Second one is called the consumption model, subscription based model and consumption based model. We have here subscription and consumption. They are the two types of licensing models here. Right? For the BTP global account, we have the two types, subscription and consumption based model here. So subscription based model is, so here you are allowed, for enterprise account I am using, I don't want to use the hundreds of services which are there in the BTP. My customer is the small customer. They want to go for the enterprise account only, but they want to some limitations here. So which means I want to use only A, B, C, D, E services. I want to use it only. The 5 services I want to only here. Which means, so the subscription based model is you are allowed to use only the subscribed services which you need. So which means you are allowed to use only the subscription based subscribed services here, right? Subscribed services, which means A, B, suppose like A, B, C, D, E, these 5 services you are subscribed, then you are allowed to use only subscribed services, right? Why? Because these services subscribed services pay at fixed cost. You have to pay at fixed cost for, so these services here, fixed cost. So the services are the fixed cost here, right? So this is the service contract is here. If you go for the subscription based model, you have to pay for the fixed cost, and so only limited services you have to use it, which you choose it. Then the contract is the 1 to 3 years of contract only. You will get the service contract only 1 to 3 years contract period only. You pay. So here the sir, I am using A, B, C, D, E services. I have subscribed it here, but in that I am only using the A, B, C, D and E service I am not using. Then why should I pay the service amount here? This is the subscription based model. You use it or not, you have to pay the amount. That's it. But because you are in the subscription based model, pay at fixed cost, pay in advance when the contract starts, and renewal at the end of the contract period. You have to renewal it here. The contract period is typically here 1 to 3 years here. Pay, you have to pay whether you use it or not. You have to pay. Sir, I want to use the some other services, E and F service. I want to use it means, then you need to separately purchase the F services. Subscribing the additional services sometimes end up in paying the more money. So subscribing model also offers. So here we will get the support, but only you will get the subscribed services only. You have to use it in the subscription based model. Only subscribed services only you can use it here. Pay at fixed cost. It contract is 1 to 3 years only. Then after that you need to renewal it here. Pay at fixed cost here. That is the term here which we have to use it here. So sir, I need for my business, I need the F service is required means you need to separately purchase. You will not get any discount here. Then you have to end up paying the more money for the these services here. That is the subscription based model. Some customers they know, or some customer they don't know. So why? Because they instead of going for the contract using the all the service in the BTP, they knows only A, B, C, D, E services. They want to use it for the business. That is fine. But tomorrow, after 2 months, business go live is done. They want to go for the one more service. Then that time, so again, they need to purchase the additional service. That is end up paying the more money per year, more money for the services here. So that's why. So the people always who knows exactly, so then they can go for this one. So otherwise they can go for the consumption based model. In the consumption based model also, they are the two flavors here. In the consumption based model, we have the two flavors here. One is the pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. And in the consumption based model, the B is for the CPEA here. So cloud platform enterprise agreement here. Let me write it here. Cloud platform enterprise agreement. Cloud platform enterprise agreement here. So what is this licensing model is for here, right? So here consumption, entire the consumption based model, you are allowed to use the all the eligible services without any limitations, right? Here we have the limitations here in the consumption based model. So here you have to you have, so you have the no limitations here. Here you can pay only what you use it here. You have the hundreds of services are available, but you are using only one and two, then you need to pay for one and two services only in the consumption based model here. So the company, it provides the companies to flexibility. So it provides the flexibility to the companies. They can use the all the services, they can explore all the services which are there in the BTP. They can explore all the solutions and services in the BTP here. Here the company will not get the flexibility, they can only get the ability with the 5 services only. Here you will get the companies to flexibility to the all the services which are in the BTP. They will get the all the services based upon the business requirement. You can, so at any point of time you can activate or deactivate the, so the service any point in time, so you can deactivate and deactivate it here, right? So suppose like in the pay as you go model, that is the consumption based model. If you use it, you have to pay it. If you don't use it, no need to pay it here, right? So there is no pay as you go model. There is no upfront investment. Pay only when you use it here. But in the when you are using the pay as you go model, so you will not get, only thing is here, you will not get any discount here. You will not get any discount. You will not get any discount if you are using the pay as you go model. You will not get any discount. So you will not get any discount here. So right, but no investment, no upfront. There is no advance investment. Pay only when you use it here. No like no discounts you will get here. So that is the pay as you go model here. If you go for the CPEA model, you will get the more discount. The enterprise agreement model, if you go with, you will get the more discount. You can use it hundreds of free and present service, free and future services. You will get the more discount. You will get the credits. So top ups, you will get the more credits, cloud credits anytime. There is no, there is a annual commitment of services here. So this is called the prepaid investment form. So you have to prepaid. You have to pay the pre before you using it here. You need to pay the amount here. Then you will get the cloud credits. So you need to use for that credits only. That automatically it will be deducted from the your monthly bill here. Whatever you use it, it will deducted here. So it's a prepaid investment plan. So when you pay here, you will get the some crowd credits. In the credits, based upon the cloud credits, your like it will be debited. So but here you will not get any discount. Here you will get the more discounts. You will get the prepaid accounts. But in the pay as you go model, you can pay only when you use it. No discounts. We have to pay for the amount, no upfront. So that is the in the pay-as-you-go model here. That is the main thing of the pay-as-you-go model here, right? So pay-as-you-go, the models, there are the types of commercial models here. These are the types of commercial model here, right? So with respect to the consumption-based model, so organizations purchase the entitlements, the current and future services we have to purchase, and we are eligible to use the current and future services in this model. So the duration of your contract, throughout the duration of the contract, so we have the flexibility to turn on, you have switch off, switch on the services, activate, deactivate. So entire contract period, we have the flexibility to use the all the required services. We can use it in the consumption based model here, right? So in the consumption based model, you will get all those things here, especially CPEA. Let's talk about some more thing about the CPEA here. Organizations make a prepaid investment in the cloud credits for the contract duration. So in the annual commitment to consume the BTP services, we need to pay it cloud credits, you will get it out. So then that credits will auto debited from your account here. So this is the model is suitable for the customers who has well established plans, use cases, who wants to go for the all the services here, switching the between the services here. So they can use this plan is flexible. CPA plan is flexible here. You will receive a balance statement that provides the information of your usage and everything here, right? The corresponding cost, total cost, how much is so deducted from your cloud credits balance and everything. You will get your balance sheet, monthly balance sheet you will get when you are using the CPEA here. So this is the model. The minimum investment entry is required. You will get the lot of discounts you will get in this one. So you are billed annually in advance. So then you can top up your cloud credits any point in time. So if the over is the usage is over, then you can pay the you can top up, we can top up the our thing and everything here. So but in the pay as you go model, you have the same level access the enterprise agreement, but the highly zero commercial model, you have to pay nothing, you don't need to pay upfront, nothing upfront, no minimum usage requirement and annual commitments, pay whether you use or not, pay billing monthly. So pay only whether service if you want to use it, you can have to view it here. So but only thing is service charges are non-discountable here. So non-discountable here. So if you are not sure, if you are sure you have to use only few things, then you will not get any discount. Then you can pay only what the services you use it here. Here entered in this model, you will get the flexibility to use the all the current and future services here. So in this way, the customer who wants to use the commercial model, they can explore more on the cloud-based services and products here. That is the plans we have in the year. So here you will get the 200 GB free, 200 GB, the limitation 200 GB free memory you will get from the SAP for every sub account here. Every sub account, you will get the minimum 200 GB free account get here. So here you will not get so 200 GB only, say 4 GB, 8 GB like that here. So only 200 GB minimum you will get. So maximum is that is depends upon the your usage you will get here, right? The usage you will get here. These are the limitations we have in with respect to the pricing model. This is the pricing model for global account, enterprise account only. So today we discussed about the types of global account. One is the trial account and the second one is the enterprise account, and there are the limitations we discussed. And also we discussed about the licensing model for the pricing model or consumption based model. So the pricing models we discussed for this enterprise account, subscription based model or consumption based model. So these are the types, and here also we have the some limitations are there here. Okay. Any questions, anyone? I will share the documentation for today, and I will also share the one Excel sheet for your access, the access purpose I will show you, and you will get the access to the my servers, on-premise servers, and documentation. Also, you need to update your email ID so that you will get the videos as well. So videos are in the public mode. Whoever updated their email ID, then you will get the all the like videos access and the documentation access. You will get it out. We have the one central repository for the documentation. You will get it out all those things.